Yo, I got your hot dog, buddy. There you go. You like it? There's nothing good about you. Nothing.
Oh my God, bro.
Today we are playing
The Skin Stapler.
Fuck it, bro. Let's get into the game, man.
Journal log, February 23rd, 1984. Carrion City. Another night of rot, simmering under busted streetlights.
This nigga voice
and dark alleyways.
deep as hell.
The streets are soaked in junkie sweat and bad decisions.
Oh,
Every
really?
corner consumed with vermin and vice.
Okay.
Every night, I ask myself the same question. How much farther can we fall?
Ugh, look at these buildings.
And now, we got some freak
This is Gotham?
carving his way through the city.
Is this
Lips
Gotham
skip
City?
like paper trails. The streets whisper fear and cover-ups. Me, I just whisper. Tuesday.
Yo, is
This
Batman
city's
speaking to me
drowning
right
in
now?
misery. With everything else for sale, murder was just waiting for its turn. Who am I?
What
the
the?
name's Dick. Detective Dick Slater. And I'm the only one keeping the filth from spilling over and drowning this city in its own sin.
Slater, come in. Are you talking to yourself in your cruiser again?
My name is Dick Slater. Your
I don't
parents
owe
did
you
not
an
love you.
explanation. What do you want?
She's looking for you. Get down to the station.
Fine.
Bro,
Tell him I'm on my way.
I'm playing as Dick Slater. Damn, nigga! Carrion City Police Department. What the fuck?
Good old Carrion City PD. Its halls smell of stale coffee and disappointment.
You sound like Batman.
Let's see what the chief wants this time.
Alright, so it looks like we're playing as Dick Slater, and he's some police. I don't know why his parents named him that. I feel bad for anyone named Dick. Looks like I'm in Gotham. Current objective. Okay. Talk to Chief in his office. Okay. Yo, Chief!
Hello, Luna. I see they still have you babysitting the front desk.
You're late again.
I didn't
Slater.
expect Chief
I
to
was
be
starting to think you fell
a lady.
asleep in your cruiser again.
And yet, here we are.
Some of us don't get to disappear into the night. O'Brien's waiting for you in his office.
Lucky me.
Wait, is this the Chief? No, this ain't the Chief.
Well, let me buzz
I'm
you
tripping.
in. See you around.
Alright, Luna. Talk to you later. Alright. This office building is terrible. What is... Yo, renovate this bitch. Why is it so dark? It's dark as hell. The light's not working, bro. Call the electrician man. Call him up. Is this the Chief? Yo, Chief.
Slater! Sir! I mean, Dick. I mean, Detective Slater. Sir!
What the...
Elmer, You hear any chatter about the stapler?
Who's the
No,
stapler?
sir, but I was just thinking, if you need backup or someone to ride along, I've been logging response times, radio codes, crime patterns. I can really help out there.
These streets will chew you up and spit you out. Here,
What?
kid?
Where
your
do I,
place is
yo, what
here.
is the city?
The station.
I just don't want to push buttons forever.
Get to
You
the
don't wanna
point.
see what I've seen. Just keep at it, kid. And let me know if you hear anything about the stapler.
Who is
Roger
the
that,
stapler?
Mr. Slater. I mean,
Oh,
Detective.
shut up. Stop talking to me. It seems like I'm trying to find someone called the stapler. Yo,
Well, look
Roxy?
who got out of his trench coat. You miss me, Slater?
no,
Not even a little.
exactly.
Shame. I got a real thankful man who look like they got nothing left to lose.
Oh, really?
Aim lower.
Your loss. Plenty on me at an station. Speaking of,
What?
I saw a strapping young man headed to the chief's office.
I'm sure you'll get your claws into him sooner or later.
Bro, do your job, bro.
Hopefully
You're thinking
sooner
about
than
other
later.
other shit.
If you talk to him, put in a good word for him.
I'm not your wingman. Get help, Roxy.
Yeah, we don't fuck with you, Roxy. All right, this the chief. I'm talking to the chief now. Finally. Damn, I'm old as hell.
Well, I'll
Yo,
be damned.
back up.
Nice of you to finally show up, Slater.
Why do you sound like that?
If you wanted punctual, you should have hired a watch.
Trash!
It's too clean for this city.
That's Detective Robbie Knox.
Robbie
Transfer
Knox?
from Rotwood.
Detective Slater, it's an honor.
Yo, these
I've read
angles
every
is
report you ever
killing me,
wrote.
bro.
Your work on the Full Mooner Gooner case back in '79.
Full Mooner
was
Gooner?
legendary.
Bro, what? What the fuck?
Yeah. City was edging on total collapse back then. But I put down that freak. For good.
Full Mooner Gooner.
He saved the city.
What crime was he doing?
Saved? I just delayed the inevitable. Now we've got a new animal stalking these streets.
Which is why you're gonna need help. The stapler's escalating, and you're not chasing him alone.
Excuse me?
Knox is your new partner.
Oh my god. Oh, he mad.
What?
Oh,
You gotta be kidding me, O'Brien. You know I work alone.
you're
I
not
can't be
Batman.
wasting time babysitting some new
Your name is
transfer.
Dick. You're not Batman.
Oh.
O'Brien,
Bro, are you good?
If you could give me a minute, gentlemen. Duty calls.
What?
Oh my god, bro. Oh, hell no.
Ah, that's better. Robbie, why don't you wait by Slater's cruiser?
How do I
I
pause,
need to
bro?
talk to him alone.
Are you that fat? Bro, give me a
Roger
new
that,
give me a
Chief.
new chief, bro. God, bro. Fucking slob.
Listen, Dick. The mayor's so far down my throat.
Yo,
about
call
the
me Slater,
stapler
bro. Stop calling
that
me
I
my
feel
first
like
name.
I'm in a decent
I'm already
cops
embarrassed.
film.
you're killing me, O'Brien.
You don't get a vote on this. He's your new partner. Now get out there and catch me a killer. That's an order.
I don't respect this chief. Stop talking to me like that. You fat mother. Stop looking at me like that, bro. Alright, now I'm working with a newbie.
Detective Slater,
My name is Robbie.
Rule 1. You don't try and impress me. Rule 2. If things go bad, you stay behind me.
got it.
Tell him.
Break either rule,
And you
I'll
die.
leave you at the curb.
Understood.
All right. First day on the job, Robbie. The quick fix. Hot, fresh wiener inside. What?
Another beautiful night in Carrion City. And I get to spend it stuffing wieners into buns and regretting my life choices.
Spending stuffing wieners into buns?
But I don't regret you, baby. My jank wagon deserves nothing but the best.
All these people are weird.
Once I have you fully paid off, I can quit this crappy
There's
job
gotta be
and
Gotham
leave
City.
this city in dust. I'll be counting the days until then. Better head inside and start my shift.
I'm playing as him now? Okay. So I'm at work. Why is everything like ran down? I don't know, man. I'm hearing the phone though. There you go. Yo, who calling me?
Get your fix at the Quick Fix. This is Hexy. How can I help you? Oh.
English, nigga?
Hey, boss. Sorry for being a few minutes late. I got stuck in traffic.
How did you know what he was saying?
What? Eric didn't bring in the meat delivery? That means it's been sitting out in the rain all day.
What is that
Probably
language?
run by now.
Oh, God.
Fuck's going on, boss? You good?
Are you calling me on the shitter again? Disgusting.
Nobody's normal in this game.
All right, calm down. I'll grab the meat from the back and make some fresh wieners. Just please stop calling me when you're in the middle of taking a crap.
Bro, hang up on him. He not even speak. Yeah, hang up. Come on, gang. What am I doing? Grab the box of mystery meat from Outback. Where is it? Tainted. What did I say? Tainted packs. Mystery meat. Bitch, get the fuck out of here! Nigga, who are you?
Fix anything?
Who the fuck? This is the Joker?
Ah, jeez. You scared the crap out of me, man.
Exactly, bro. What are you doing?
Fix. I think you missed the joke, dude.
Oh, I love jokes, especially the ones with a killer punchline.
Cool. Great talk. You need something, or...
Who is this guy? Matter of fact, niggas who look like you, there ain't nothing good about this man. There's nothing good about you.
My. I
Your
do
forehead big as
have
shit.
an appetite.
Okay.
If you're talking about the hot dogs, they aren't ready yet. Come back in 20 minutes.
The best meals are worth waiting for.
There's nothing good about that man.
Just another night with another creep. I hate this.
Yeah, bro. You gotta move out this city, Hex. What do I do now? To the wiener grinder? Is this it? Looks like, okay. What the? I'm doing quick time events? Look like doo-doo. All right, bro. How many times I gotta do this? Okay. Okay. Wait for customers. All right, bet we selling some wieners. Come get your wieners. Yo, I got some wieners. What's good, my guy? You want a wiener? Hey, youngster, let me get a nice long one and make it snappy. Bro, who you talking to? And pause. I got you, though. So I gotta cook it. Make the customer a wiener. I need a bun. Where's the bun at? Oh, okay. Got a bun. We gonna toast it. We gonna put it right here. I need an uncooked wiener. Nigga, take the raw wiener. How about that? Okay. I gotta cook it first.
Wiener is ready. Wiener is ready. Wiener
All right.
is ready.
Shut up. No, the wiener's ready. What? What? Did I just do something wrong? Yeah, my fault. It's taking a little longer than I expected.
Wiener is ready. Wiener is ready. Wiener is ready. Wiener is ready. Wiener
Shut
is
up!
ready.
What do I do? I need a toasted hot dog bun. I had to put it there the entire time.
Wiener is ready.
All right, shut up. Ketchup and mustard. Boom! Got you. I need relish. Boom! Okay. I need to add the works. What? Boom! Okay. Oh, the container. Boom! Yo, I got your hot dog, buddy. There you go. You like it?
What the fuck?
And he just walked away? Hey, yo, bro. You eat your hot dogs like that? He eats his hot dogs like that? What am I playing? Yo, you better be normal. The way you walk in. All right, man. I'm gonna make you a hot dog. But eat it right. Boom. Now, when I give you this hot dog, eat it right. Or eat it in your car. Do whatever you want to do. Just don't do it in front of me. Don't do it in front of... Hey, yo! Is it that good? Get me out get me out this city, bro. Oh no. Oh no, it's him. Yo, you got a trench coat? Your forehead is massive. You're just smiling. Your teeth is fucked up. You're wearing shades. And you're just, how are you this pale? And you don't cut your nails. There's nothing good about you. Nothing. What do you want?
Hello again. Are you the proprietor of this fine establishment?
Yes, I am.
Oh, crap. You again? Proprietor? Dude, I don't know what that means. I just work here. Did you come in to get one of those famous quick fix wieners? Well, I do love a nice piece of flesh, but I'm in the mood for something a little more unique.
What's that?
Well, if you aren't here for a wiener, What do you want?
It seems I'm a little low on supplies. Do you happen to carry any staples?
He's the stapler. But we already knew
Why do you need
this.
staples this late at night?
Oh, you could say I'm working on a little art project.
Oh, really?
Whatever, man. It's none of my business. I think we have some on the back shelf over there by the toilet.
Ah, perfect. Thank you. I'll be seeing you again real soon.
Don't whisper at me like that, man. Go get your staplers. We gotta keep an eye on him. This guy's a freak. What do you... Get me out this city, bro. Okay, and we're gonna just act like he's not there, okay? Yo. Yeah, you want a hot dog? You want a wiener? I got you, bro. When you eat this hot dog, just eat it normal. If you don't, I'ma just shoot you in your face. Shut up. Alright, I got your hot dog. Eat it correctly or eat it somewhere else. Yo, bro, hey, yo, what are you doing? The hot dog's not that good. Just fucking chill out. Bro, that shit was not that good. You just walk away, you just eat the... I'm tired of the city, bro. I'm tired of these people. Where is this guy at? Let me get it ready already. Yo, is that a black guy? You're the first black person I've seen. Are you gonna be normal? Give me a meaty, juicy one. On the box it says thick, juicy, long. Shut up. Please don't disappoint me. Just leave. Don't eat it in front of me. Pause. Can I get a normal customer? Where does this guy go at? Where did he go at? Wait, where did she go at? Oh. You're not asking for a hot dog, right?
Hey, Hexy.
Hold up, who's this?
Hey, a shrimp queen.
This is my girl?
It's comfort food. Don't judge me.
No judgment. Better than these wieners I'm selling. You don't want to know what's in them.
You should see some of the stuff I've scraped off the floor at Gutter's End.
Whoa. What the? Yo, it's somebody behind you. That nigga, yo, turn around.
Dream, eh?
Turn
On
around.
your break?
Yo. What's her name? Brianna?
One
Blair.
day we'll get out of this dump.
Blair?
Yeah. I gotta get back soon.
Blair, turn around and you're gonna see the creepiest guy you've ever seen. Make sure when you come outside, when you go out, watch your surroundings, okay?
How much I owe ya?
You good. Just keep it.
Don't
Let
worry
it just
about
go.
it.
Yeah, don't worry
This
about
one's
it.
on me.
Yeah, go
I'm
ahead.
feeling a little shrimp-pathetic tonight.
Try!
Bro, you have no riz.
Oh, you should be arrested for that one. Thanks, Hexy. I'll see you later.
Make sure when you go outside, check your surroundings.
Have a good
Look
shift,
behind
Blair.
you. All right, Blair. Yo. Hey, yo. Why are you looking at her like that? Yo, this creep. He's a creep. Yo, be safe. Yo, this guy's a creep.
Squeezer is ready. Squeezer is ready.
The fuck? You malfunctioning?
Shit, dude! What the hell is your problem?
Bro, what's wrong with you?
It seems you're all out of staples.
What's wrong with him? We are? Too
I'm
bad,
getting
nigga.
pretty
Go to
sick
the
of
other
your
store.
shit. I think you better leave before I make you.
Oh,
I got a shotgun in the back.
that
Just leave.
might be fun. I did see something I liked very much, but it's no longer here.
What?
What? You talking about Blair? You hold up, nah.
I can see this establishment doesn't employ the brightest. But anyways, I'll be on my way, my tattooed friend.
You better leave.
Yeah.
You should go.
Thanks for shopping at the Quick Fix, I guess, or whatever.
By the way, you might want to check out the restroom. The toilet is quite clogged.
Just leave the store, bro. Alright? And don't do nothing crazy. I ain't playing with you. I'm gonna call the police! Check the toilets. Check the restroom. Better not be no dead body in here.
Great. That weirdo clogged the shitter. Just what I needed. I'd better grab the plunger.
Nigga took a fucking shit. God. Yo, clean. What's wrong with your establishment? Clean this shit out. Oh no. I gotta get this right before shit go everywhere. I can't fuck up. That's how you. I don't think you're doing it right. You putting your hands on the toilet
This
seat?
stupid thing isn't working.
Just leave it. Oh, you're. Oh nah. Rhino.
What the? What is that sound?
Yo, just run. You're about to get a face full of shit. Yo. Nigga. Oh, fuck. Ew. What the fuck? Oh, what is this game?